Don't miss this. Understanding, miss the boat. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, miss the boat. This phrase can be quite confusing for non-native speakers, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in everyday conversation. First, let's break down the literal meaning of miss the boat. Imagine you're at a harbor and you need to catch a boat. If you arrive late and the boat has already left, you have literally missed the boat. This is a simple concept, right? Now, let's see how this translates into a figurative meaning. In a figurative sense, miss the boat means to miss an opportunity or to fail to take advantage of a chance. This could be a job opportunity, a chance to invest, or even a social situation. It's used when someone has lost their chance to do something because they were too slow to act or didn't realize it was an opportunity until it was too late. Let's look at some examples to see how miss the boat is used in everyday language. 1. Job opportunity. I heard about a great job opening, but by the time I applied, they had already filled the position. I really missed the boat on that one. 2. Investment. Bitcoin prices skyrocketed last year. Anyone who didn't invest missed the boat. 3. Social situations. I was going to ask Sarah to the prom, but I waited too long and she's going with someone else. I guess I missed the boat. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For example, miss the mark. This is slightly different as it often means to fail to achieve a goal, not just miss an opportunity. Missed out. This is more general and can refer to missing anything, not just opportunities. And that's it for our exploration of the phrase, miss the boat. Remember, it's all about missing an opportunity because of delay or inaction. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't miss the boat on enhancing your English skills. See you in the next video.